put 1 cup of warm almond milk. Good job. Okay, and this one. Okay, hold on. Wait.
Wait, Mom.
Okay,
Wait.
hold on.
What's going on, Mom? Yellow. It's yellow, Mommy. It's yellow.
That's right.
And sugar.
That's salt. Thank you. Okay, then you could put that in. Nice work. Okay, now you're gonna put the flour in. Okay, careful. Whoa! Oh no! Oh my goodness, Snow Rose! Was that funny?
It's so funny.
All right, we're gonna stir it, okay? Hold on, stay there. Don't move yet.
Yeah, Mom.
Don't move yet. Okay. Okay, here you go. Stir it up.
It's Ella, and I'm Sanella. Drunk and smart.
Okay, good job, Snow Rose. You're so cute.
I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me I'll realize I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be alright.
Punch it in like this.
I'll be alright.
Okay.
Cover it in house.
Yep. And then we're gonna set it aside and leave it for an hour and a half, okay?
Wow.
Okay, we gotta let the dough rise.
I'll be alright. If it gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. To your hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire.
Good girl, good boy.
And it's not a lie.
Great job.
I can hide what this is. Those blue eyes, and you can
Okay, it's
tell
ready.
me I'll realize I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be alright. Be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I'll be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be
goodness. We have been just trying to do a lot of stuff today. And I'm just trying to get a lot of like all the sheets clean, and also just trying to bake a bunch for the trip so that we have some stuff to kind of start our trip off with, like some homemade yummy stuff like bread and chocolate chip muffins. And it was fun because Snow got to help me make them. And then I was just gonna pop into the garden and grab a few tomatoes. My little dress is the basket for right now.
Okay.
A shoes up. A shoes up. Dad. Dad. It's okay. Dad.
Is that pretty good? And you were eating a chocolate chip homemade muffin also? Pretty yummy.
Smile, baby storm, baby, 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 Bobby, baby, Bobby, where are you?